All right, just want to talk about the TMT system for mainly people that haven't seen it, traders that may be struggling with whatever their system they're trying to use, um, with whatever indicators or no indicators. I'll show you with a little bit of indicators that I have on the chart, and then I'll take some of them off and show you just trading price action. I love trading price action. Uh, and I'm going to show you just simple setups using this system with this custom bar. It is a hybrid Rinko. I don't particularly like Rinkos, but I was able to get some logic programmed into a bar overlay that helped me trade price action with the Rinko, and I just really like it. So want to show you guys and see if you like it too. So I've just pointed out some trades here. It's Friday. I usually don't trade Fridays, um, but some trades would have worked today, and just want to talk about some rules that I use and why they would have worked. So I usually like trading after the U.S. session open. I am in Central Time, so that'd be 8:30 for me. The first trade, legal trade setup would be right here after this support, after it drops below the support line. I don't short into support. I don't buy into resistance. I don't trade this double doji here because I have four bars pulling back and I'm on top of support. But I am in a short trend. My trend lines show me I am. My trend tracker shows me I am, and I have momentum to the downside. So I would. This will be my first legal trade right here. And so just whatever your ATMs are, um, that's what is that 37 to say 17, right? So possible 20 ticks. Let's say you get 10 out of it, or 12, or 5, or however you're trading. You're scalping, or you're running it down into your next support line or next pullback. However you do it. This can work with any type of ATM. Just work with one that you're comfortable with. Here's the next entry right here after this doji. Red doji red. That's a legal trade for me. It's breaking down below this support line, so I enter. And what do we have here? 14 to say, let's say 84, right? So 944, so that's 30 ticks. So 30 ticks possible in here. What you would have gotten, even if you got half of it, right? So let's say you got, if you got 10 to 15 here and 10 to 15 here, you're 20 to 30 ticks already on a Friday. I'd call it good, but you can. This is another legal trade here. Two bar pullback with a doji in another red candle. That's a legal trade for me as well. Still in the same trend, right? So fast trend lines below the slow, and take it. So always limit your risk to what you're comfortable with and what your account size is, can handle, whether it's 5 ticks or 10 ticks, or if you move it, kind of or organically on the chart, put it 1 tick above the last pivot, whatever. I'm not a financial advisor, but whatever you're comfortable with or can handle. And you'll say 86 down to, let's say, 46. So 40 ticks. Well, whatever you would have got in there. If you have trailing stop, if you have multiple target, 40 possible ticks. Even if you got 10 or 15 or 20 or whatever you would have gotten, but that's a good trade. Okay, so that's three legal trades that if I traded today, that I would have taken or would have been within my rule parameters, uh, could have legally taken. Always minimize risk, never move your stop, never widen your stop. Take the stops and then look for the next trade. That's how I trade. Just run through here real quick. Yesterday, I didn't have any legal trades that I would have taken, and I didn't take any CL trades yesterday. This is oil news. I did trade oil news, and it was a little bit tight and sloppy in the beginning. So you could have either, put your stop above here and let it ride down as you enter these trades, or take the small stops and then take your trade here. You always want to minimize your risk, get out of a trade if it's going against you, and if it's going against your rules, your risk tolerance, get out of it and wait for your next qualified trade. With this system, the qualified trades pay you well over whatever small stops you'll take. So let's say you didn't take these because you're above support, so don't take them. Wait until you get below support here. Okay, take this. Let's say, I don't know. Let's put it at 43 or even 40. 40 down to just go 90. Okay, that's 50 ticks. What you would have gotten in here obviously is up to your ATM and how you trail, or however you set up your targets. Okay, this is not a legal trade for me, and you could have taken this here at this alert, this momentum alert. You could have taken that, but I usually don't. That's not usually a trade I take. I take these trades here, but you could have taken this. All right, with this system, you could have taken this 93, let's say 63. Okay, 30 ticks. Even if you get 10 ticks, 15 ticks, 20 ticks out of each of these, it's a good day. Okay, so this is definitely a legal trade, one I would take here. 58 to 98. Okay, what you would have gotten in this 50 or 60 ticks here. Like I said, I'm not guaranteeing anything. I'm showing you trades that you could take based on, this is price action based only, following trend. This is momentum, this is trend, these lines are trend, and this is support. This is very, very simple trading based off of price action, momentum, and trend. If you take these trades, just be done. This is a legal trade, okay? You have two bar pullback with two dojis. If you have 4-bar pullback, I don't take that. I wait. See this? I wait. I don't take this unless you take this alert right here. That could be a rule that you take those. I don't. I take these. Just higher probability trades are the ones I take. So yeah, no, it's simple. It's a simple system, and I just wanted to point it out and let you guys see it. Look, I'll take off some of these and just show you simple price action. Simple price action. No indicators other than some support and resistance, and the bars that I've created, the custom bars, and it's simple price action with a couple of moving averages that I've back tested and forward tested, and I've been using for years. And I call them the fast and slow trend lines, and that's all I use them for. So you could just use that, the bars, price action, clean, done, simple system. So I wanted to show you that and show you that trading with rules, strict risk parameters, controlled risk, no moving and widening of the stop, always have tight risk, and always use good money management, trade with trend, trade price action, trade with the rules, trade the rules of the tools, and you can do this. This is a very simple, powerful system that I trade personally, and many others are having success with it, and you can too. So just wanted to share this with you, and it's Trend MOMO Trading, and you can check us out. I have some free videos on there, and give it a shot. It's trendmomotrading.com, and hope to see you or talk to you soon. Thanks.